Next program is with reference to Bihar Curriculum Framework 2008 by Dr. L.V. Singh, PhD, NRSM College. Bihar Curriculum Framework. The major pedagogic concerns in the specific context of Bihar 8. There are distinctive features of the document which were identified and defined after several rounds of discussions with teachers, teacher educators, sensitive citizens, and curriculum developers. The most important among these in an independent chapter on rural education. As observed, 9 out of 10 students in Bihar reside in villages, and many of them are first generation learners. As a matter of fact, the very approach to curriculum is perceptibly modified in the entire document, either with an eye on contextualization or to bring it closer to the realized and social analysis in the state. In a sense of Bihar Curriculum Framework 2008 is far less radical in its pedagogic approach than the National Curriculum Framework 2005, especially interested of its about theoretical position. Bihar Curriculum Framework 2008 takes a more pragmatic view, a pedagogy which is more accommodative of prevailing or conventional ideas among teachers or members of community without, of course, settling for status quo. As part of the country, Bihar shares many concerns taken up in the national policy on education. At the same time, it has no grapple with its own problems, and for that it has to fall back upon its own resources, culture, and social, and devise its own the techniques and strategies. There are systematic reforms in the discussion process in the state. As for example, the possibility of introduction of common school system and several more institutional initiatives are needed, which have been outlined in the chapter on systematic reforms. An idea suggested in Kothari Commission report and implicitly endorsed in National Curriculum Framework 2005 has been developed on concretized. It is the idea of a school designing their own curriculum, and a separate chapter has been devoted on that. By underlying premise that actual curriculum takes a shape in the real setting of schools, care has been taken to give some simple suggestions to the head teachers, means headmasters, and teachers to enable them to attempt in it every school. National Curriculum Framework 2005 was provided several interesting clues and ideas regarding what can be done in the schools, and much of that has been incorporated in framework that we have evolved. And we go one step further by asking teachers to design a school curriculum on their own. If schools actually start doing it, that indeed will be the beginning of much needed quality reform in education. Bihar is in a state of transition. A painful on which may possibly linger for some time more. If this curriculum is of any help to the young learners of today to find newspapers to negotiate this transition, it will be highly rewarding. यदि हमारे बच्चे न्यूज़पेपर के कंसर्निंग में रहें तो ये पाठ्यक्रम सक्सेसफुल होगा. Tell comments, anyone, regarding?
First, it focus in rural education. Second, it defines and analyzes the social status. Third, it takes a more pragmatic view. Fourth, it offers the device of techniques and strategies in cultural and social areas. Fifth, it has provided several interesting clues and ideas.
Thanks.